In the previous video, we mentioned that arrays are a type of data structure. But what is a data structure, and what other kinds of data structures are there? This video will explore answers to these questions. Can you remember the different data types that we explored before? By now, you should be quite comfortable using the data types we identified: ints, floats, booleans, and characters. We call these primitive data types within processing, and we can combine these pieces of data to create composite data types. You have already seen one of these, the string. A string is a data type that stores a collection of characters. More importantly, strings are a data structure. A data structure is a combination of primitive data types used to organize and store data in a specific and usually useful format. A string data structure is doing more than just storing these characters. It also maintains the order of characters, which is very important if you want access to various portions of the string. Data structures provide us with the tools we need to model complex entities and real-world systems. We use data structures to organize our data, choosing how the data is stored, how the data is accessed, and how the data can be changed. We use data structures to make writing programs easier and to build fast, efficient, and accurate models of the problems we want to solve. Think about a data structure to store information about a car registration. You would have data types for car make and model, year, registration number, and so on, and you would access these fields as you need them. In another example, if we had a list of words and wanted to find a specific word in the list, we could go through the list one by one until we find the word. But this could take very long to do and be very tedious. Instead, we might create a new data structure that arranges these words alphabetically and also groups them by the letter they start with, much like a dictionary for any language. That would be much nicer to work with. In some cases, data structures can provide us with more than just a way of organizing our data. Oftentimes in programming, it can be useful to combine a composite data type or a data structure with a set of behaviors that can be used for us to work with that data. Looking again at the string structure, it also provides a variety of easy ways to display and manipulate sequences of characters, such as the length function that returns the number of characters that are in the string, and the char@* function that can get a character from a specific location in the string. This combination of data and behavior is known as an object, and we'll be looking at how we can make our own objects and use them in future courses in this series. This is a brief introduction to what data structures are and how we can use them in data science. This is a big topic, so next I'll start by looking at one of the simplest data structures that we can work with, the array. So exciting!